Dell workstation, sir, calling from Windows IT department. How are you doing today?
You're calling from where? Windows what?
Windows IT department.
Windows IT department. Yeah, y'all supposed to call me last week. What the hell is going on? How you doing?
I'm doing great. So, it's a serious concern that your Windows license is expired. Don't you find the notifications on your computer screen?
You mean it's old? Like in Windows 98 old? Is that what you mean?
Yeah.
Alrighty then, go ahead.
Excuse me?
Go ahead.
Sir, we trace that your Windows license key is stopped automatically updating. So we have to diagnose your computer right now because if the license is stopped working, stopped updating by automatic function.
Right.
Update it manually.
I know, right?
Could you please manage to be in front of your computer for a moment?
Alrighty then, go ahead. I'm in front of it.
Okay, did you see the date and time over there in the right corner?
Do I see a what in the right corner?
Date and time on your computer screen?
It says pause break, scroll lock. It looks like PRTSCNSYSRQ. I can't read that shit.
Excuse me?
I just told you what it said. That's what it said, or rather it reads.
What was that? Did you see the date and time in the right bottom corner of your computer screen, sir?
Oh, the date and time on the screen. Hell, I didn't know. Yeah.
Just make a right click over there.
Alrighty, wait a minute. What's a right click?
Over the mouse? Do you own a mouse?
Yeah, there's a mouse here. I got a bunch of mice.
Yeah, just make a right click on the date and time. Okay?
On the computer.
On the date and time, sir.
On the date and time on the computer.
Yes, sir. Yes,
on
sir.
The screen. Alrighty then. What do I do now? What the hell?
Okay, sir. What options came up to you after making a right click?
Toolbars.
Okay.
Adjust date / or is that a / time? Customize notification icons.
Okay, sir.
Cascade windows.
Yes, sir.
Show windows stacked.
Okay, sir.
Show windows side by side. Show the desktop.
Okay, sir.
Start task manager. Lock the taskbar, and then the last word is properties. What the hell?
Sir, just do one thing. Focus on your keyboard first of all.
Focus on my keyboard. Let me get my magnifier. Go ahead.
Okay, sir. Just focus on your keyboard, and did you see the 4 flag key in your keyboard, right bottom corner? Left bottom corner, I say.
Which corner?
Left bottom corner.
Left bottom corner. What am I looking for on my keyboard? I got my magnifier. I can see something over here. What do you need? Hello?
Yeah, I'm here. Thank you for staying online. How are you?
Hello? Did I lose you?
My name is Daniel. I'm a computer technician from the Speech Solution, and we have your license identification number that has been expired right now. That's why we are calling you.
Right.
Please be in front of your computer for a moment.
Okay, hang on. I got another call on the other line. Hang on. Hello? Hello?
Oh, yes, I'm here.
No, not you. I got a call on the other line. Hang on. Hello?
Oh, all right, I'm here.
Well, they hung up. What the hell? Now, go ahead there, honey.
Okay, now, sir, are you in front of your computer?
Yeah.
Okay, do one thing. Focus on your screen and see at the right bottom side. Do you see the date and time?
Yeah, that's what that other guy said to me a while ago. What the hell?
Okay, but what do you see?
Date and time. You said look at the date and time.
Give a right click on the date and time.
Right click. Okay, I did that a while ago. Alrighty, what do I do now?
Click on the task manager.
Hang on a minute. Got another call. Hang on. It's probably y'all on the other line. Yes. Alright. I got that call. Now you go ahead.
Okay, you just do one thing, sir. Focus on your keyboard, alright? And see at the left bottom side, can you see the control key, CTRL key?
Let me get my magnifier. Hang on a minute. What the hell? Alright, I got my magnifying glass. What am I looking for?
Focus on your keyboard.
Focus on my keyboard.
See at the left bottom side, can you see the control key?
But you said focus. Alright, I see a control key, CTRL. Is that it?
Yes.
Alright.
Next to the control key, which key do you see?
I don't know. It's got a little funny looking flag looking thing there.
Okay. I want you to hold it down, the flag key. Do not release. Hold it down.
Alright.
And press the letter R. R as in Romeo, one time.
Alright, it shut my computer down. What do I do?
What it says?
My computer shut down, went off. What the hell?
Fuck you then.
What'd you do to my computer? No, fuck you then. Ha ha ha! Y'all are fun. Call me again. We'll do this another time. That's what I thought.